What?
Hold it in one hand, put the can of beer in the damn tray, and then start.
I know that.
Yeah, that's not what you're doing, you blockhead, or you fucking lying again.
I love that all this is getting caught on the video recording. Yeah, block.
There we go.
Would you shut up and let me finish first?
You're filming now?
Of course.
Yeah.
But pick it up, pull the beer can out of its ass, put that down on, put the can back in the tray, put the bird on the dish to get it back in the house and that. Pick the whole son of a bitch up and just slide it underneath the barbecue, let it sit in the floor to
Yeah,
cool
good,
off.
good idea.
Bye, everybody.